Hi, welcome to Fish Sauce Mama. This is Melanie. Today, I'm just gonna make a basic spam fried rice. Let's go. So we will need some garlic, as always. You know, this is optional. It's just me. Smashed it and minced it, and then set it aside. I'm gonna use about a quarter of a medium-sized onion. These are sweet onion, and just chunk them up, mince them up, keep them up. And our special spam. I got the low sodium, but pop them open, cut them up into slices. Not your fingers. Watch out. So this is a lot. I'm just gonna cube them up, shred them up, cube them up just like everything else. I only used about half of it. The other half you can just fry and eat them like French fry sticks for a snack. They're pretty salty, so be careful. I got about 2 cups of rice and 2 eggs beaten up. Rice is just cooked, and I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait for it to be old, so I have to cook it now. So high heat with a frying pan, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons of canola oil. I'm using canola oil for a high heat frying. So just pop your rice in there and swirl it around, kick it around, or press it around to let it kind of get a little bit of oil coated, and then flatten it down so you can easily spread the ingredients. I have about a pinch of salt and about a half a teaspoon of sugar. I like to add a little bit of chicken powder for some flavor, so that's about a teaspoon. Don't forget to keep kicking them around, because if you let it sit down for too long, if you let it sit for too long, it might burn. So that's why you always turn around. And push it to the side just for now. We'll be right back. On the side here, just add a little bit of oil and add in your beaten eggs. You don't even have to use a cup or the container, a bowl. You just crack them in there and spread it around. But I don't know, I just beat it today. Feel like putting a bowl. Feel like washing the dishes today. And spread it around for maybe 30 seconds. Don't over fry it, and then mix it all up. Then no oil this time, because in the spam it should be some oil, some not good fat, but it should be some fat in there already. See some oil, some fat is releasing right now. I let it go for about a minute, and the spam starts to get shiny. Then I add in my onions and diced onion. That's what I was thinking of the word. Diced onion and minced garlic. Let it release and char a little bit while you flipping the other side. Well, that is going on for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. Don't let it burn on the little edge. Just okay, but don't let it burn. So all that is done. 1 pot, 1 pan. Just kick it around, and when you're done with this, you're done. So all that is all mixed up. The last thing is kind of like icing on a cake, but it gives you this very special kind of flavor and smell, is to add the cracked white pepper. You can do black pepper, but the white pepper give it a special flavor and aroma. I love it. It's white pepper. And that's it. You can swirl around for a few more times if you feel like it. If not, you're good to go. I actually do more of the swirling around, kicking around, and moving around than this. I think I've cut out a lot. Plate it, and then we have our spam fried rice. That's just easy. Quick and easy. It's not quick and dirty, it's quick and easy. I hope you like this recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe for future Vietnamese, Asian, home cook, gardening, and more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.